People that doesn't even exist in your life. That's not what elegant women do. Like think about some male figure in your life. Don't laugh loudly. I used to be that kid who always thought about everyone else before thinking about myself. I was always calculating what people will think of me. How will this look? Is this right? Is this wrong? I have realized that I have wasted so many years thinking and worrying about other people. So last night I was just sitting alone and I was looking back, especially my college days, and I swear I cannot remember even a single moment where I felt genuinely happy, where I felt like, wow, I'm living my college life. Not one moment I was feeling free, I was feeling happy. College is over now. I didn't waste those years. Obviously, I did study. I did what I was supposed to do, but I never lived it fully. At that time, there was some struggles, some problems. But tell me something, when in life there is no struggles? Life is all about ups and downs. Struggles are always gonna be replaced with new struggles. You can never get rid of struggles. And that's life, that's how it is. But you keep telling yourself that once this problem is solved, once the things start aligning in my life the way I want, then I will be happy. But that moment will never come. We are always telling ourselves that once this phase will over, I will be happy. But you never. Back in this, there were some struggles that was different kind of struggles, and now I have different kind of struggles. So if you are waiting for struggle-free life to enjoy your life, that day is never gonna come. एंड हम कभी रियलाइज ही नहीं करते कि हम सोचते सोचते कितने लम्हे हैं जो हम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. एंड नाउ डेज पीपल आर सो obsessed with becoming someone else, trying to be more feminine, trying to be that girl, trying to be mysterious, trying to act in a controlled way because that's classy. But अगर आप naturally वैसे नहीं हो and you are forcing it, that means you are performing. And how can you ever be happy when you are just pretending? तो खुशी कभी आपको मिलेगी ही नहीं because deep down you know that it's not me. That's not who I am. There is a thin line between growth and pretending. And just for social media, just for aesthetics, don't try to change yourself. If you are naturally funny, be funny. If you are naturally shy, mysterious person, be that. You don't need to be social butterfly. You guys don't realize like how attractive it is when a person is being authentic. And sometimes na the worst part is we are the one who control ourselves. थोड़ा मिस्टीरियस रहते हैं बिकॉज दैट्स फेमिनन, ज़्यादा लाउड नहीं होते हैं बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट क्लासी, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट एलिगेंट वुमेन डू. बट गर्ल, यू हैव वन लाइफ. who you are trying to impress. And I realize this one thing कि जब मैं अपनी ममा और सिस्टर के साथ कहीं बाहर जाती हूँ ना, they would be just enjoying and doing their things, laughing, and I always be like, नहीं ऐसे मत करो, वैसा मत हंसो, लोग देख रहे हैं. I was protecting an image that just existed in my head. I was scared that if I laugh too loudly or speak my truth, my vibe get ruined. But ruined for who? People who don't even know you? People that doesn't even exist in your life? Be real, be raw, be embarrassing, be loud. You got one life. Time pass and you will be 80 tomorrow. You know, sometimes what I realize is I sit with people and they have stories to tell. They have things to share with other people. And I don't have anything to share. You know, life is so pretty. Life is so good. So start living that life. Start being who you are. You don't need to be someone else. You know, guys, what I have realized कि when you try so hard to be someone else, so जो कि आप नहीं हो, you also impact other people that are present in your life. Like think about some male figure in your life, the one who is so hard on themselves कि जब उनके अराउंड दूसरे बंदे भी आए ना, so they have to adjust. Sometimes we just don't laugh loudly, we just don't show our emotions because that person is not gonna like it. So your behavior is not just impacting your life, but it is also impacting all the other people that are present in your life. So अगर आपके थोड़े से क्रिंज बनने से किसी को खुशी मिल रही है और आपको खुशी मिल रही है, so be it. Life is too short.